Week 3, I'm just going to work on the basement because I have poison ivy and it's getting really bad. Oh, so much brighter right now. Now getting ready to pressure wash the floor. Oh, what happened? Week 3! Everybody! We have a successful summer 2044. We have a successful summer. Alright, so all of us were assigned different tasks. I finished pressure washing the basement. One cut the hole into the wood so that we could put the bar in. And Chip cleared out the health center so that we can start having a system, creating a structure where the kids can be taken care of.
Good. I'm sweating out there.
Yeah. Week 3, we just cleaned up a lot and now we're finally putting the bar in. Me and Gwen were literally just gonna hammer it all the way into the tree. Finally hammered the bar close to the tree, and now we have to put a hole in the tree so that the bar can go in. Done for Monday. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We gotta be calm. We can't destroy the nature. We gotta be calm with the nature, and it'll respect us. Now we have a sledgehammer, and we're gonna sledgehammer the bar in so that it's nice and sturdy. Alright, bro, let's get it. Let's go. Ready? Yeah, you got it. Let's go. Send it. Ready? It's been 3 months since I've hit any freestyle, done any pull-ups, but we did it! Let's go! Oh! Oh!